Tech class, we are going to build ourselves our throwing arms. Okay, so our throwing arms consist of a cup held together by a through bolt, which is actually a screw, but use a nut to hold it in. We can use a washer, and the screw is going to show up there. Over here, we're going to mark off center, mark it off 1-inch increments, so that we have ourselves 5 separate locations we can change our throwing arm. And then we're going to install a hook. For this one, we're going to poke a hole with a punch tool, and then you're going to twist the screw eye in. And you have to open it with a pair of pliers when you're done. Now we're going to take this, we're going to put it between the 2 nail heads, and we're going to touch the bottom and just pull it straight through, continuous motion. And then when you're done, perfectly centered line. Okay, we don't need it down here, we're not drilling here, so it didn't need to go all the way there, but that's fine. Okay, with that, you are going to take yourself a ruler, and you're going to mark it off in 1-inch increments, starting at the center. So we see this is 8 inches, so we know 4 is going to be right there. Use a pencil or pen for this part, it's not important. So I like to start the center, 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch, and then 1 inch. Okay, so these are going to get drilled out at the drill press. Walk over and use the blue jig, place that in there. It'll hold it in place, so you just have to hold it from coming out and doing a helicopter, and then you have your clear spots to drill through. Drill through with the drill press. These are going to be this way, so the fulcrum will go this way. So if we turn it, the fulcrum will be going this way. Okay, so you're essentially just going to go like this, and then drill through the cup and the throwing arm. But I need you to take note. I'm making a space for my finger back here. So the way you're going to line it, you put your finger down, put the cup on there, hold that right there. And then you're going to drill through the cup and the piece of wood at the same time. So you're going to use the red drill bit. All right, all the other holes so far have been drilled with this. So this one, this red drill bit is for all of the screws. That looks like, we'll call them nut and bolt because that's what they look like. Okay, so you're going to drill through both at the same time. You're going to use the back table, not my tables. Use the drill portable drill station. Okay, and then last but not least, we have to install the hook. The hook looks like this. It's closed, so we need to open it up. And we have pliers in here. So you could take the needle nose and push down until it opens just a little bit, just enough for a rubber band to fit through. We have our metal punch tools. So this cup is now going to be like this. So we're going to take this, flip it over, put the cup over the edge, and then we're going to punch a hole. That punch is going to allow us to twist this in. Okay, so just push and turn at the same time. All right, that concludes building a throwing arm.